Hello everybody, as you can see we are here at Epcot for the day. We have the whole family, so you get to see an inside look what it's like to have 8 people at the theme park. They do have a fast pass for Guardians of the Galaxy for 5 people, so that is one thing they did buy ahead of time for the wait times.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to show them some of our favorite food spots and drinks, so we'll come along with us and see our day. But here's the fam, they're all doing their sunscreen and it's a nice hot day. And we're ready for Epcot.
Yep, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and come along. So we got Mom, we got Dad, we got Kevin, Andy, we got Mace, Auntie, and Ken. So we are all along for a family outing at Epcot.
Epcot kind of day.
First stop is Frozen with 40-minute waits.
Look at that waterfall.
And it is changed. It is 25 minutes now.
It's pretty unheard of for Frozen.
So when we first walked in, it said it was going to be 40 minutes, but it's 25.
Yeah, I mean, this is usually a high wait, so 25 is good.
So we're trying for front row because nobody wants to be Mike Wazowski on the ride. And when you're with us, it's a sing-along.
Snow, let it snow. I'll be out in a minute. Oh, and with every purchase, free lutefisk.
So funny.
Everyone is snowy summer day. Let's just call it delight. 'Cause for the first time in forever. Let it go, let it go.
So we just got off of Frozen. It was listed as a 25-minute wait, but it actually only took us 15 minutes, and that was getting the first and the second row with 8 people.
15.
So that was pretty cool.
I think that's a new record.
Yeah, so onward. So far for a Monday, the park actually doesn't seem all that crowded, but it is 10 o'clock, so we'll tune in and see what the rest of the day is. We are currently in line right now to see Donald Duck here at the Mexico Pavilion, so stay tuned for photos at the end of the day. Our turn will be next.
We came here one time when it was
It says only a 10-minute wait, but it looks like we're just almost walking on.
It's a walk-on.
Yeah, look at that. We're going to be boarding soon. And we are already on. And just like that, we get a little fireworks show for the end. So we came back over to Norway and we're trying the Norwegian Treats. So not sure what we're gonna get yet, but this is what they have here. If you would like to see the menu.
Drop in the comments what you get here if you've been here.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Yeah, so they got school bread, cinnamon rolls, rice cream.
Try one of these.
And more goodies, chocolate triple chocolate chip cookie. Wow.
Eat your heart out, Gideons.
And then Norwegian Regal with chocolate. Looks like a pretzel, but wow.
Just that. All right, we chose a lapsa, she said. It's cream, sugar, and cinnamon in a little tortilla. All right, let's try.
All right, so this is the triple chocolate chip cookie.
Very good.
Nice. Kev? Ken, did you try it? Would you all get that again at
Yes,
Norwegian?
for sure.
What is
How
this?
is it compared to Gideon's?
It's
It's a school bread.
Okay.
It's a school bread.
So this is the school bread. So it's coconut dipped.
It's forks over
also
there.
has inside filling.
Apple.
I would get it again.
Very good.
Thank you.
What did you get there?
I can't pronounce it. Apple cake.
Okay, some sort of apple caramel cake.
Starts with an E.
Is it good?
Yeah. Rated 9.5.
Ooh, that's
Did you
good.
get into that one?
I did. So once you get to the sugar and cream and cinnamon, it's very good.
All right, so this wasn't too bad. It's just a little rolled, almost like a crepe type of texture, and it has like little cinnamon kind of filling in there. Not too heavy of a
probably-
cinnamon, but
A little dry, but you don't need a napkin.
yeah, but it's not overly sweet, so if you just want a nice little treat, not bad.
Oh, I can't wait. Snow White.
Good, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing lovely. Thank you for
Very
asking.
nice.
Do we see my 7 friends anywhere?
Oh, the little dwarf guys?
Oh, yes.
I have not seen them.
Perhaps they're
Awesome.
off at work.
We did get to see Dopey a couple
We
weeks
did,
ago.
we had a
though.
picture with them.
Was he eating too many blueberries again?
No, but he was trying to tell us that his other friends were mining.
Mining.
Really?
So yeah, they were.
Well, I'm glad he knows then.
Yeah.
I'm sure he's checking in on them from the cottage.
Yeah.
I guessed wrong and I thought he meant they were fishing.
Oh, that's why.
We all got a good
It's a
laugh
little
out
hard
of
to
it.
tell with Dopey.
Yeah, yeah.
They're mining. They're not mining. They're mining.
Fishing? Oh my gosh.
When in Germany, you have to get a Dunkel. It's my favorite beer, so cheers.
Yeah, so
caramely
there's
goodness.
the little stand right out here. So you have the beer garden restaurant right here. But right over here, you can get the Dunkel or the lighter beers, and then you also can get the pretzel there.
Yeah, they have a giant
well.
pretzel hanging right there, and we'll usually get a pretzel and a beer. Very good.
So we are checking out the Regal Eagle Smokehouse. They have a s'mores treat that we would like to try.
Our first time walking in these doors. Oh, nice and AC. We are at Regal Eagle trying the s'mores bar, so you get it right here in America Pavilion. But look at that.
Yeah, so you can use a pass holder discount on this. So with the discount, it was $5.49. So I would imagine it was like $6.50.
That's a little bit of deliciousness. Holy cow. All right, Andrea.
Oh wow. I wasn't expecting it to be chilled.
Yeah.
But it's like mousse in there, and then it has the chocolate, little graham cracker crumbles, and then of course marshmallow.
It's delish.
But yeah, it was really good. And yeah, I think I would have this again.
It would be the perfect end to like one of these brisket sandwiches or pulled pork sandwich. All right, very good.
So in Morocco, race against the sun, the ancient technique to modern competition. How cool. Let's take a look inside and see the Museum of Racing. So a little rally of the gazelles, women off-road race. So there, you can simulate as if you're driving through the sand dunes, I guess. Very fancy. bracelet. Here's your team award if you win. Fancy helmets. Your little uniform. Sisters in competition. Women's medal. Oh, race bib that is in pretty good condition. Running shoes that have seen better days. Very cool. And then here's all your little supplies you would need for hiking. 14,000 calories worth of food. This is what you would use for the marathon. This is what you would look like if you were, oh yeah. Yeah, they got little shoe coverings to keep the sand. I guess because I imagine that sand gets really hot. Very cool. Don't think I've ever wanted to do that. Let's see, nutrition, hydration, and electrolytes. Oh, so those might be like salt tablets.
Yeah.
And then protein balls. Fueling the fire. Oh, winner's trophy. Another winner's trophy. Are you enjoying the museum? Did you see all the women's marathon stuff and racing? Very cool. Poutine. Kevin, how is the poutine in Canada?
Good. I get this all the time for good reason. It's a very good dish of fries, cheese curds, and gravy. Perfect, and it's amazing.
Andy?
And we have our little fancy table here. We also have a tray of traditional poutine.
Yep. When in Epcot
Gravylicious.
is table. Everybody else is taking
Man.
A water break.
a water break. Woo!
Oh.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Birds everywhere.
Drop one.
Ooh,
Well, I
okay.
dropped one off the tray, and I didn't know they
Alright.
would like.
That was creepy. All right, back to the poutine. We are heading into Soarin for a 30-minute wait. Is everybody excited for Soarin?
Ooh.
Woo, Soarin, everyone!
Andrea is recording. Hey, watch your feet. It's the way to go. Oh yeah, yeah. All right, in Sunshine Seasons, I got a roast beef sandwich that actually looks really good. It is right outside of Living with the Land. It probably uses the same lettuce. Oh, all right. And it comes with a salad. Very nice. Okay, so I saw this online. It looked really good, but there's hardly any, there's not much roast beef. Otherwise, it would rank a bit higher. It needs to be a nice little stack of roast beef, but it's kind of like painted on. It's okay. Not sure I would recommend.
All right, so the four of us are going on Spaceship Earth. So me, Andy, and my mom and dad are gonna join, and the other four are a little behind us, but everybody.
Oh, there they are. Let's see if they'll wave at the camera. The other four are nearly in line.
They're not paying attention.
Kevin, wave. There they are. They're with us.
We're here. Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad.
Brings home the gold medal. All right, we are at Club Cool. And everybody's gonna see what they think of Beverly. What do you got?
Beverly. Starts out okay, but then that's the best way to put it.
Mom?
Agreed.
Is that Beverly?
The Madagascar, the bonbon Madagascar is good. I like her.
What is it?
Beverly.
Beverly. Okay.
I like her.
What do you got?
Sprite cucumber.
Oh,
How is it?
cucumber.
It's good. It tastes like regular Sprite, but like fruitier, I would say.
What'd you get?
Sprite cucumber.
Country Club.
Country Club. How is it? Kev? What is it?
Royal watermelon.
Watermelon. Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
I'm going for barbecue. Barbecue.
It's good.
All right, well, that is it. The four of us, me, Andy, Mom, and Dad, are heading home. The other four are going to hang out just a little bit longer. But
That's it.
I hope you had a good time watching all 8 of us at Epcot. And we will see you on our next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.